and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to start off our 2025 year, can you believe it, with the January Double Shot Kit. So if you're new to the Scrap Room, the Double Shot Kit comes out every month, and it includes 2 brand new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments, everything that you need to get started. Subscriber, you'll have access to this free exclusive cut file. These are designed exclusively for our members from Cut to You. And it's this Home Sweet Home title with the flowers and the leaves, simply gorgeous. So be sure to get that downloaded. Also have access to 2 recipes. These are for double page layouts that our design team creates for you. They'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. So this month our 2 collections are Echo Park Little Builder, this awesome boy collection. Of course you could use it for lots of different ways, but the embellishments are geared towards little boys and builders. And then from Photo Play Paper, we have Wildflower Dreams, and this is a gorgeous aqua pink, but it also have touches of bright colors in it. Super cute. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. Starting with Echo Park Little Builder, you're going to receive 2 sheets of black cardstock, 1 sheet of Typhoon cardstock, and then your pattern papers is this awesome multicolored star print. The back is a blue geometric print. This paper is called Awesome Stars. Then we have the polka dot in all of the different colors. And then the back is a black diagonal stripe, but it looks like little tire tracks, so really fun play on stripes there. This is called Play Hard Dots. Then we have this striped pattern that has roads and the caution type print, tire track stars, the stripes, so a lot of fun on that paper. The back is a chevron 2-tone blue, and this is called All Boy Stripes. So one more look at your pattern paper. Your embellishments are the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this large tire track border and then a chevron border. We have lots of titles: Play All Day, Every Day, Build Anything You Dream, I Dig Dirt, Nap Hard, Play Harder. I just love all of these little sayings and the icons. So that is Little Builder from Echo Park. Our other collection is Photo Play Paper Wildflower Dreams. This again is a beautiful kind of softer pastel collection and all about being inspirational. It has inspirational quotes, just beautiful papers and icons. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of aqua. This paper with the mushroom and butterflies is You Inspire Me, and the back is a polka dot black on white. We have this beautiful floral. This one is Follow Your Dreams, and the back is a yellow 2-tone geometric print. Then I love this one with all of the rows of butterflies in pink. This is called Oh Happy Day, and then we have a diagonal 2-toned green diagonal stripe. So lots of great B sides as well as the icons on the A side. For your embellishments, you'll get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. These have all of the beautiful colors and lots of little pieces that could be used for journaling to tuck in with embellishments. We have some banners, different sizes with titles. We have frames, You Are in My Heart. We have Congratulations, Hooray, Best Wishes. So your scraps can be made into some beautiful cards. So that is Wildflower Dreams from Photo Play Paper. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the individual items in the store as well as the other kits that we have available. I'll have the reveal videos linked here at the end so you can go right to them. We want to thank you so much for joining us this year, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.